catch me a queen, I know say, me double tap, I'm a pussy fat, so one boy, for something catch, equal rights, girl power, boy, suck it back, every boy, me suck them, suck me back, that means say, for me husband, in a that do it! Oh my God, you love the song! I love the song. Oh, Nicki, got going you.
Listen to me. I need that. Wait, is that song on like the streaming services yet?
No, I haven't released it. I just went to the studio and just go because I got pissed off, so I just went to the studio, done it, and just put it on my Instagram.
Good.
But I'm gonna release it.
Good. I love that song. As soon as it's out, I need to go and buy that song. Yes, that means the husband. What? Yeah. Done them blood clots.
So all the Barbies.
But listen, Queenie, listen. And also,
all the Barbies.
Listen, Queenie, you are a married woman and nobody can tell you what or how to do anything. You understand? That's why I always respect you and your marriage, because we have to respect that, you know? That's something that people think, you know, I think on social media people don't realize that. But I want to let you know that I respect you and your marriage. And so I know how, you know, stuff happens and stuff like that. But when you need to be feeling like you that bitch, I'm going to also let you know that you that bitch. Okay, Miss Lady? So I'm gonna go for now. I'll hit you back, okay, babe? Bye.
I'm a Barbie. That's a Barbie there, you know. Say hi. Hi. Oh, don't be shy. Oh,
hello.
Thank you very much.
But I'm gonna come back to send her something soon as my card ain't declined no more. So as soon as it's not declined, I'll hit on Instagram. Okay.
Thank you. Mwah, blessed love. You know, hear that girl power when they say yes, God bless. Wow. What a power empowerment. Teen Sagittarius, teen Queen, teen. Jesus. Rachel, Jesus Christ, for pity. You never get for talk to Nicki, but I get for talk to her. Rachel, remember you're writing your book in a rush. Queen, don't cry. Nicki, big up yourself. Remember you're writing your book, so mommy endorse your career. Mommy don't change nobody. And look who just up alive with me, Rachel. Nicki. Remember when you're mad over Nicki and I tell me, so Mommy, Nicki Minaj me, and Nicki this and Twitter. That time poor me not know nothing about Twitter, you know. I wish I'll make my Twitter them, you know. Blessed love, to God be the glory. Right, crazy, let's pray.